In the last previous class, we were seeing about the abacus, right? Here myself, Yuvarani ma'am and Kenamai ma'am are there to teach you math. Okay? Yes. So we have seen a small introduction about the abacus, right? So today we are going to see in brief what is abacus. Okay. Yes. So let's learn numbers up to 99. It's from the lesson number 7. Okay. Whenever you come to math class, you must always have your math textbook, workbook, and a practice note along with you. Okay, dears? Yes. So let's start our session. Math textbook, page number 87. Math textbook, page number 87. Again, I'm repeating. Take out your math textbook, page number 87. Okay, you are going to follow along with me. Okay, keep your hand on the line which I am reading. Okay, follow along with me. Okay, yes. So, abacus. An abacus makes counting simple and easy. An abacus makes counting simple and easy. We can represent any number we want to on an abacus using beads. We can represent any number we want to on an abacus using beads. It has been used by people to count since ancient times. It has been used by people to count since ancient times. Okay, so this is the abacus. I have already shown you this abacus, right? In the previous classes, I might have shown you this. You all know this how to count the beads, how to count the beads in the abacus board, right? Yes. Still, you are in the first standard, so you will be learning only till two-digit numbers. That is from 0 to 99. So you all know how to use the abacus, right? Yes. From the right hand side, the first rod we will take into consideration for ones place. Okay, then the second rod we will take into consideration for the tens place. Okay, yes, so this abacus board makes our counting very simple and easy. Okay, we can represent any number we want by using the beads. Okay, after this ones, tens, it will move on to hundreds, thousands, lakhs. So it moves on like that. Okay, since you are very small children, you are going to learn only to 99, that is two-digit numbers. Okay, yes. Can you say me what is the greatest two-digit number? Can anyone say me in the chat box? What is the greatest two-digit number? Yes, it is 99, right? 99 is the greatest two-digit number. Okay, can you say me which is the smallest two-digit number? Smallest two-digit number? Yes, of course it is 10. Very good. I got many answers in the chat box. Superb, dears. You are rocking. Yes. So the smallest two-digit number is 10 and the greatest two-digit number is 99. Okay. So this abacus board has been used by people to count since ancient time. Ancient time means what? From the olden days. Okay, olden days in our grandpa, grandma, those days, no, they were also using the using this type of abacus board for calculating the numbers. Okay, so shall we move on to the next slide now? Yes. Yes. So as I said earlier, in abacus, O means one's position. The rod above O containing beads represents how many ones you have. So can you see a green color standing line here? Yes. See, below the green color standing line, one O is there. That O represents what? That O represents one's position. Okay. Now let's move on to the red color rod. See here, red color standing line. Yes. Below that we have a T. That T represents tens. Okay. Let me give you one number. So you are going to say me where it comes. Okay. Where the place states. 6, 06. Where it will come? Either in the tens place or in the ones place. Yes, of course, in the ones place. Very good. Why? Because here in tens place we have 0, 10, and in the ones place we have 6 ones. Okay, so this 6 comes in the ones place. So how many beads I have to put in the ones place? How many beads? 6 beads. Wonderful, Sadhana. Superb. So we will be putting 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will arrange 6 beads in the ones place. Okay, now let me give you a number as 20. Okay, number 20. So where I have to place this 20? How many ones and how many tens will be there in the rod? Can anyone say me? The chat box? Yes, super Bojashvi. Ones, 0 ones in the ones place, and how many tens? 2 tens. Sadhana, superb. Nandana, very good, wonderful. Superb. So we will arrange 2 beads in the tens place and 0 ones in the ones place. 0 ones means, do I have to draw anything here? Do I have to put the beads? Yes or no? No, right? Yes, no. Very good, Ramya. No beads will be coming there. Why? Because 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Yes, it's empty. Okay, so this represents the value of 20. 2 tens and 0 ones gives you the value of 20. Okay, so here in an abacus, T means tens position. The rod above T containing beads represents how many tens you have. So this what we also represented the same, right? Okay, shall we move on to the next slide now? Yes. The same page number 88. Okay, one example has been given for you. Okay, let's see what Binny is going to do. Okay, Binny wants to represent the number 73 on an abacus. Binny wants to represent the number 73 on an abacus. She would take 3 beads for the ones position and 7 beads for the tens position. So she would take 3 beads for the ones position and 7 beads for the tens position. So let us take this number apart. Okay, let's write it over here. 73. In 73, how many tens and how many ones are there? Superb, Sadhana. We have 7 tens and 3 ones. Very good, Ojashvi. Yes. So we have 3 ones and 7 tens. So according to this, we are going to represent on the abacus board. You all know how to draw the abacus board? Do you remember? Yes. First, we have to draw one sleeping line like this and one standing line for the place of ones and one more standing line for the place of tens. Okay, now let us represent this 73 on the abacus board with different color. Yes, so how many ones, so how many beads I have to put on the ones place? Yes, 3. Very good, Nandana. It's 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Wow, so we have placed 3 beads on the ones place. Now let's move on to the tens place. Yes, Nandana, Sadhana, Ojashvi, superb. You are rocking here. Satvika, superb. So, Avanishwar, very good. So, we are going to place 7 tens on the tens position. So, how many beads? 7 tens means we are going to arrange 7 beads. Shall we count and arrange 7 beads on the tens place? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we have arranged 7 beads on the tens place. So 7 tens and 3 ones gives you the answer as 73. Yes, do you remember the expanded form? Yes, how we will expand this 73? Do you remember how we expand this one? Yes, we will be putting as 7 tens as 70 and 3 ones as 3. And what is the linkage between 70 and 3? Yes, we will be putting plus. So 70 plus 3 gives you the answer 73. Yes, this is the expanded form for 73. Okay, shall I give you another number? Will you send me the answer for that number? Yes? Yes, superb. You are very energetic. Superb, Kanna. Yes, so I am going to give you the number as 92. So how will you expand this 92? I want my children to answer in the chat box. Say to your mama and papa and they will type it in the chat box. Superb, Krishiv, it is 9 tens and 2 ones. 90 plus 2. Yes, this is the exact answer. Very good. Jay, Sadhana, Nandana, Satvika, Ramya, Ojashvi, Krishiv, superb. Very good, Kana. It is 90 plus 2. So this is how we will expand the 92. Okay, shall we write here? 9 tens gives you 90 and 2 ones makes 2. Okay, in between we are going to put a plus symbol, which 90 plus 2 gives you 92. So if they ask you for expanded form, you are going to write in this manner. Okay, my dears? Yes. So shall we move on to the next slide now? Yes? Yes. Okay. So this is few more example for you to get a better understanding. Okay, it is also in the same page number 88. So they have given the question as 7 ones. So now we know how to draw an abacus board, right? One slipping line, one standing line for the place of ones and one more standing line for the place of tens, right? Yes. So here they have given the question as 7 ones. 7 ones. So we all know from the right hand side, the first row takes the place of 7, right? Super Krishiv, Ojashvi, Satvika, Superb. It is 07. So we will be representing 0, that is nothing, on the tens place, and 7 beads on the ones place. Shall we count and check whether there are 7 beads in the ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 beads here, which represents 7 ones. Okay, this again same example, okay, with different number. 8 ones. So from the right hand side, again the first rod takes the place of ones and the second rod takes the place of tens. So we will be arranging this 8 ones in the place of ones rod only. Okay, why? Because we have 0 tens and 8 ones. Very good, Avanishwar, Krishiv, Satvika, Darshan, Ojashvi, Nandana, Ramya, very Jai, superb, ma. Very good. You're all rocking kids, super. So these are all the one digit numbers. One digit numbers we are arranging only in the ones place value. Okay? Yes. So now let's move on to the two digit numbers. Why we are saying it to as two digit numbers? Why? Because we have ones place value and tens place value. So how many digits numbers are here? One number, two numbers. So it is said to be as two digit numbers. Two digit numbers. Okay. Yes. So we all know how to draw the abacus board again. So from the right hand side, we will be placing the ones in the ones rod and tens in the tens rod. So here 24, we have two tens and four ones. So where I have to place this four ones? Can I get the answers? Yes, exactly. It's at the place of ones. Very good, Kanna. Superb. So very good. So we are going to place 1, 2, 3, 4 beads in the place of ones. Okay, and then we are left out with two tens. So two tens will be placed in the next rod that is in the tens place. Okay, so how many beads I have to put here? I have to put two beads. One bead and two beads, which represents two tens, and four ones gives you 24. Yes, superb. So this is how we will represent two-digit numbers. Later on, when you move on to the higher classes, you will be learning for the three-digit numbers also. Okay, dears? Yes. So the next example is about six tens and five ones. What is six tens and five ones makes? The whole number. Yes, Nandana, it is 65. Six tens and five ones make 65. Very good, Avanishwar, Ujashvi, Jay, Rishim, superb, ma. Yes. So six tens and five ones makes the whole number 65. So we are going to arrange this five ones in the ones place with how many beads? With, yes, expanded form also Ojeshwi gave. Very good, Kanna. Yes. So five beads on the ones place. One, two, three, four, five. Very good, Ramya. Super. Krishan, very good. Yes. So five ones on the ones place. Then let's move on to the tens place. That is six tens. So we will be arranging one, two, three, four, five, six beads on the tens place. Okay, which gives you the answer as six tens and five ones makes 65. Okay, so now I'm going to give you one surprise activity. Okay, yes. Yes, it's the activity time. Okay. So you're going to do this activity in your home and you're going to take out the pictures and you're going to post it in your WhatsApp group. Okay? Yes. So see here. A baby is playing with the abacus, homemade abacus. Okay. So you are going to take either clay or dough. Okay, dough means it will be like flour. With the flour, your mother will be making the chapati and all, right? So that is called the chapati dough is called that one we say it as dough. Okay, it will be like and chapati flour udri மாவா இல்லாம it will be like uh, with wet, it will be wet. Okay, நல்லா சப்பாத்தி மாவு மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, that one you can either take any dough. You can take either with the wheat flour or maida or clay, whatever you have at home. You can use that and you can make it as the base. Okay, if you have a straw in your home, you can insert that, or whatever sticks you have, you can insert for two place values, that is for one's place value and tens plus place value. So two sticks you are going to insert in that dough. Okay, and then you are going to use the puppets. Can you see the ring puppets here? Ring puppets. Okay, you can use either the ring puppets or any waste beads which you have in your home or any other things. It depends on your creativity. Okay, so with the help of dough, straw or sticks, and with the use of ring puppets or beads, you are going to make for two-digit numbers, an abacus board which represents two-digit numbers. Okay, and then you are going to take a piece of paper and you are going to write what number you are going to represent on the abacus board which you have made. So for example, if it is 43, let's take it as 43. So you will be taking out only two sticks and inserting in the dough or clay. Okay, and below that uh, below the down row, place that paper on the floor and write the expanded form. Four tens, either as 40. Let me write it here. I don't have space there. So either as 40 plus 3, 43. Oh my god. Either as 40 plus 3, 43, or you can also write four tens and three ones below the sticks. Three ones. Okay. So here you will be representing on the board below the below the board you will be keeping the paper and you will be representing tens and ones like this, and below that you can write as 4, 3 and its expanded form and along your with your name below. Okay, so this one we will be using. If it is very nice to see, everything will be very nice. Of course, my dears will rock it. Even though few photos will be selected for newsletters. Okay, so I want all my dear ones to try this abacus board in your house and post your pictures, make it as a collage and post your pictures in the WhatsApp group. Okay, my dears. Okay, now it's time to move it on.
Man, this one stick I haven't got.
Stick, whatever stick you have, you can insert. Even if it is a broomstick, it is okay. Even if it is a broomstick, it is okay. Okay, whatever stick you have, you can do. Either even or you can do it with your pencil.
Man, I'm not having play one day.
Okay, Kanna, that's what I said. Whatever things you have, you can do it with that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, from the waste material you can do this one. Yes, Kanna. Now it's time for us to
Today
do the exercise. Yes, over to Tena, my ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Varani ma'am. Yes, dears, now we will be doing the sums related with abacus. Yes, before we saw, right, abacus. Likewise, we are going to do the sums with the help of abacus. Yes, there are two rods. Can you see two rods there? Yes, we have ones and tens rod. Always the right side will be the ones column and the left side will be the tens column, right? We have learned 2-digit number, so we have only two rods. When we learn more than 2-digit, we will have many rods. Now we are going to learn only till number 99. So we have only two rods, ones and tens rod, ones in blue color and tens in red rod. Okay, now we are going to count how many number of beads are there in ones column. Yes, first you will Yuvrani ma'am, page number, is it in the textbook?
No, ma'am, it is not in any textbook or workbook, ma'am. It is just for their practice. So we will be sending you the PDF very shortly and you can practice in your home.
Yes. Now we are going to count the number of beads in blue rod. Okay, how many beads are there? There are 4 beads. So you will be writing 4 inside the blue box. Then you will be counting the beads which is in the red rod. So how many? Only 1 bead. So 1, 10 and 4 ones makes 14. Yes. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Yes. First we will be seeing the ones column. Yes, ones rod. So we will be writing ones and tens on the top of the rod and you will be counting the number of beads and we will be writing it. Okay. Okay, the blue rod is ones column as ma'am said. Okay, you will count how many beads are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rods are there. 9 beads are there. 9 beads are there in the blue rod. Yes, now we will move on to the tens place. So only 3 is there. 3 tens. So 3 tens and 9 ones makes 3 tens and 9 1 makes 39. Yes. Move on to the next one. Count first. Always remember you have to go from the ones place. So we will be counting the ones place. So count how many blue beads are there in the rod. Yes, very good. 7 beads are there in the ones place. So we will be writing 7 inside the box and move on to the tens place. Move on to the tens rod. How many? Yes, 4 beads are there. So 4 tens and 7 ones makes 47. 4 tens and 7 ones makes 47. Move on to the next one. Yes. How many beads are there? Yes, we have 5 beads in ones place and 5 beads in tens place. So 5 tens and 5 ones. Five tens and 5 ones makes 55. Next one. Yes, can I have answers in the chat box? How many ones are there in the next one? How many ones? How many beads are there in one's place? Count how many beads? Yes, yes.
Can you please give me annotation request? It is very slow here. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. How many beads are there? In one's place, 8 beads are there. Okay. Then how many beads are there in red? Yes, 5 is there. So 5 tens and 8 ones makes 58. Okay. It is very difficult to write inside the box. So you have to write inside the box, children. Okay. Next one, we will move on to the next. How many beads are there in one's place? Yes, we have 3 beads in one's place. And how many beads are there in tens place? 2 beads are there. So what is the number? 2 tens and 3 ones makes 2 tens and 3 ones makes 23. 23. Be very careful. You have to go from the ones place and then move on to the tens rod and then write the number correctly. It is 2 tens and 3 ones. It is not 32. It is 2 tens and 3 ones that makes 23. Move on to the next one. Count how many blue rod beads are there in the blue rod. Ones place. Yes, we have 6 beads. And how many beads are there in red? Tens place. How many beads are there in tens place? Yes, there are 4 beads are there. So 4 tens and 6 ones makes 46. We will move on to the next one. Count how many number of ones are there. How many ones are there in one's column? Beads, how many beads? We have 7 beads. So we will be writing 7 inside the box. And how many tens are there? How many beads are there in tens place? How many beads are there in tens place? Yes, it is 3 beads. So 3 tens and 7 ones makes 37. 3 ones and 3 tens and 7 ones makes 37. Next one. Count how many number of beads in one's rod. Yes, we have 8. So write 8 inside the box. And then how many tens? How many tens? 2. Yes. So 2 tens and 8 ones makes 28. 2 tens and 8 ones makes 28. Yes. Next one. Is there any bead in 10 ones place? Look at the next sum. Is there any beads placed in ones place? No. What should we write? If it is no, what should you write? Yes, it is 0. There are no beads. So we will be writing 0 inside the box. And how many beads are there in tens rod? Yes, 4 beads are there in tens rod. Okay, now only 4 tens and 0 ones. What is the number? 4 tens and 0 1. It is 40. Yes, very good. Superb. I'm getting many answers in the chat box. Very good, children. Yes. We will move on to the next one. How many beads are there in ones place? How many beads are there? Yes, 5 beads are there. Very good. In the tens rod? Yes, 3. 3 tens and 5 ones makes? Yes, 35. Very good. Superb. Okay. Next. We will move on to the next one. Count how many beads are there in ones and tens. Yes, 4 beads are there in ones place. Yes. And how many beads are there? Yes, 5. So 5 tens and 4 ones makes? Very good, children. Very good. Superb. It is 54. Okay. Likewise, we can do how many ever sums they give by counting the number of beads in the column. First, always go with ones place and then move on to the tens place. As we have learned only till number 99. Yes, when you go to higher classes, you will be learning the greater numbers. Now we are going to learn till number 99. Yes, which is the smallest 10-digit number? Can I have answers in the chat box? Yes, 10 is the smallest 10-digit number. And which is the biggest 2-digit number? Which is the biggest 2-digit number? Yes, very good. 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. Yes, very good. Superb, dears. Yes. Over to Yuvrani, ma'am.
Okay, dears, now it's time for us to say the 3 times table. Okay, I want all my dear ones to unmute themselves and sing the 3 times table along with me. Okay, yes, shall we start? Yes? Yes. Here the numbers have been arranged differently. Okay, we will sing the song as we sing. Okay? Yes.
2, 3,
1s are 3.
3, 1s are 3.
2 are 6.
3, 6 are 9.
3
3,
4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. Shall we say one more time? Yes, shall we? Yes, superb. One more time we will say yes. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 50. 3 6s are 80. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. Yes? Yes. So I want all my dears to read the tables. Okay, already we have learned 2 times table and now we are learning 3 times table. And do not forget, you people are going to do the activity and you are going to post it in your WhatsApp group. Okay, yes, thank you so much. Now it's time to say bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
And say bye bye to everyone. Bye.
Say good day, ma'am.
Say good day. Bye. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Janshita C, Narmada, Jaganvel, Nehan,
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Kala,
you, ma'am.
Satvika, Arshad, Abhinav, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Janavika, Jai Krishna, Jivika, Jeevana, Ramya, Kushiv, Mithun, Naresh, Pradanya, Pragalpa, bye bye. Padmesh, Ranganathan,
Bye,
Satakshi, Sai
ma'am.
Lakshmi,
Bye. Bye to everyone.
Padmesh, bye, bye. Bye Teja.
I write this note here.
Where you have written ma? I could not see. Ah, if you unmute your video and show only, I can see yours. Unmute your video and show the note. Okay, bye bye everyone. Varunika, Shreyas. Bye bye.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
No, Kanna, I could not see you.